Welcome, in front of me is a REALME GT, and today I'll show you how to enable and set up the Do Not Disturb mode. And to get started, pull down the notification panel, expand it, and look for the Do Not Disturb toggle, which for me is right over here. So once you find it, you can either tap on it to immediately turn it on with wherever the settings are, well, set by default, or you can hold it, and this will quickly take you to the settings where you can customize things like who can call you, who can message you, set up a schedule, and so on. So simply go to the settings and choose all the ones that you want. And once you're done, from here you can simply tap on a toggle whenever you want to enable it. And as you can see, it's now turned on. You can see this little moon icon right here. And it should also give you a pop-up right here, so Do Not Disturb mode is on. So you're aware right now. And once you're done with it, if you've chosen a schedule, you don't actually need to turn it on from here, it will do it itself. If you turn it on manually, you do need to turn it off yourself by tapping on it again like this. And that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.